Katie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If so, you can subscribe. The button is always down below. Post beauty, lifestyle, panning, and more. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my Ipsy by BoxyCharm unboxing today. It's gonna be half try-on, half not. I do love doing try-ons and stuff, especially when I just get the box, which I just got this box yesterday, and I've tried out very few of the items. So it's gonna be half try-on. There's some things I won't be trying on, but I'll be sure to keep you guys updated with my opinions on the things. I've honestly debated how if I was gonna keep doing try-ons every month. Sometimes you guys know I do, sometimes I don't. Like last month I know I didn't and stuff. And also I was filming some of these belated, I've been filming a lot belated things and it's kind of annoying me if I'm being honest. But let's get to the box. This is what it looks like, and it actually does say Glam Bag BoxyCharm. Well, it actually says all the boxes they offer. This is the BoxyCharm, which believe I'll put on the screen what it retails for because I can't honestly remember, but it is a good value. It's always a good value and stuff. And then they still have their Glam Bag Original, which I believe retails for $14. I haven't got that one since I believe the beginning of this year. And then the Icon box, which is quarterly, retails for like $55–60. I think it actually might be $59. I'll make sure to update all of this information on the screen for you guys. You can join through my link. Sometimes they give you like free bags to give away, that kind of stuff. Yeah, let's just get into this because I do want to put some of this makeup on my face. Here's a little sneaky peek to the box. And then of course you always get your little pamphlet thing. It really doesn't give you much information anymore, which is why they lead you more towards the app, which is usually how I refer to things, and it tells you about building your box. Now you can build your box on the 1st instead of the 3rd of the month, which is usually how it works for BoxyCharm and Icon Box. I know you get to pick your one sample for the Glam Bag like earlier, like the 20 something, but you can pick earlier for BoxyCharm and the Icon box, which is exciting. There's just like tells you about the pics on the inside, but this thing is kind of useless. Sometimes they put the information on it, sometimes they don't. It's kind of one of those. But let's just talk about what's in the box. We're first gonna get into the stuff I'm trying on. I want to do my lips real bad, so we're gonna get into that first. So the first thing is the Keys Comforting Tinted Lip Balm. This is in the shade Inspiration. I love Keys Soul Care. I've tried a bit of it through BoxyCharm. Well, just through Ipsy, the different Ipsy boxes. I've gotten a lot in the Icon boxes, so I've really gotten to try quite a bit of things. And there's a lot more I want to try. But this is the Keys Soul Care, of course, little lip balm. It honestly reminds me of Black Honey from Clinique, but of course this is cruelty free. So we're gonna just put her on the lips, see how it looks. Definitely when you see the color on the box, definitely looks more intimidating than it actually is, but we're getting quite a bit of buildup, which is nice. And this is really hydrating. Like, I always put on a lip mask under my lip balms because otherwise my lips would just be super cracked. But yeah, that's super pretty. I really like the color. It's pretty natural. You can definitely just do a quick swipe and get more of a natural color. But yes, this definitely reminds me of Black Honey for real. I want to see what they have to say about that though, so we're gonna open up the Ipsy app and I'll tell you guys about it, or at least what I can find about it. And this is one of the items that I ended up picking. Of course, everything in this bag is full size. It says time to kiss your dry lips goodbye, packed with nourishing ingredients like vitamin-rich avocado oil and moisturizing chamomile seed oil. The lip loving treat leaves your pout feeling irresistibly smooth and soft, plus it adds sheer wash of a neutral berry color for that perfect natural look. Definitely is natural. You can build it up like I did, but it's definitely more natural, and this does retail for $18, which I don't think is bad at all. So there's that. So another thing that I got in my box, and I'm actually not trying this on. I know I said I was gonna do like all the try-ons at once, but we're gonna just, I'm doing this all in one recording, so it really doesn't matter. So the next thing I got in my bag is the Man-Eater Waterproof from Tarte. That's what the wand looks like. That's what she looks like, because I'm not going to be opening this. I want to save this as my as a waterproof mascara for like when I go on a trip again. I really want to do that because, you know, I just want to save it so I won't open it, just so it stays good, because once you open it, it'll only be good for 6 months. But the packaging is super cute. I'm actually going to put it back in the box for that sake that I won't be using this. But it's a really, like, I've tried the Man-Eater mascara before. It's pretty nice and stuff, and I'm really curious of how it's going to work. I might honestly open it. I also have a lot of open mascaras right now where it's too insane. So yes, but yes, that's the Man-Eater mascara. Retails for $25, and it says the inky black mascara delivers the same results as the OG formula, but now you can swim and have a good cry. Lengthening, curling, volumizing. This mascara does it all without clumping and smudging on you. Plus, the ultra creamy formula conditions your lashes so you won't flake or clump. I actually like when they condition your lashes, because that means when you remove it, you're not like damaging your lashes, which waterproof mascaras are more likely to do and stuff. So next, I tried this last night, and I'll insert a picture of the mask on, but this is the Ahava, I think is actually how you pronounce it. This is the 24 karat gold mineral mud mask. And I know I posted this on my Instagram story too, and I was like, I've never actually used a gold mask. This made my face like shimmering gold. It was pretty nice, and it made my skin like, I don't know, pretty smooth, which I liked. And I'm definitely excited to try this out more. This is, how big is this mask? It does look small, but I think it is like at least oh, it says 1.7 fluid ounce, so yeah. But it's nice, makes your skin smooth, and I really do like that. I love trying out new masks, so whenever there's a mask, I pick it, and I was in between a few things, I'm not gonna lie with that, but I ended up picking that. Okay, so now we're gonna bounce around a little bit just because this is an add-on. So I added on the Orchid Maracuja Juicy Blush from Tarte. I love doing add-ons because you can get these things for a discounted rate, or at a discounted rate, I should say. And I do have another one of these in the shade Rose, but I'm really excited to test this out for the first time and see how I like it. I love these blushes. They're so pretty, and they're pretty pigmented, so you really don't need a lot when you're putting these on. They're just super nice, and they really just blend beautifully, and they're like so similar to their normal blushes, just like cream, which I love. Look at how pretty that is. It looks way more intense on camera, but I promise it's not. It's not that bad. It's not that intense. You can always like put your powder brush over it to blend just a bit. See, look at that. And I forget like how much I forget, it might have been like less than $18 for that add-on. And then I also did a point perk, because I have like thousands of points that I have to use up, or and stuff. Like it'll literally be every once in a while like 20 of your points are going to expire next month, and you're like, oh, okay. But like 20 really is nothing, you know what I mean? Like I'm like, I'll lose 20, I'm okay with that. But I don't redeem points that often, because I just don't, because they don't always have like things on there that I feel like I want to redeem my points for, if that makes sense. Like sometimes I'm just like, eh. But they had the Rem Beauty glosses on there, and I got the one in Chucky. It's like this purpley iridescent color, and I can't wait to try it. We're gonna try it over what we already have on, and I can't wait to see what it looks like. But yeah, it's like a purple shade. It's actually pretty like over what we had, but I can imagine it being so pretty just over like a clear lip balm and stuff. I love that. I really do. Okay, so the last two things, I did try this just once. This is the Amika Dream Routine Overnight Hydrating Treatment. This is basically like a just leave-in conditioner essentially. You put a few pumps in your hands, you put it in your hair, scrunch it in there or put it in there, and it's supposed to just make your hair shiny in the morning, which it really did give my hair a nice shine, which I liked. I want to see if I can read like more information on it. I don't think I can. Oh yeah, here we go. So it says ready to wake up with your hair of your dreams, packed with hydrating superheroes like hyaluronic acid, coconut water, blue algae, and sea bucklehorn. This silicone-free wonder boosts moisture while you catch those Z's. It just says distribute about 1 to 4 pumps of the mask onto your dry, damp hair before bed. And the full size retails for $32 at 100 ml. I'm actually gonna take my hair down because it makes no sense having it up. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but it does look nice. It does look shiny, and I'll definitely be using that like a couple times a week and stuff. And then the last thing I got in the box is this Yenza Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream, which I love. I have a lot of face creams right now. It's kind of an issue, but I definitely need to try this out. Maybe I'll do like a little bit on my hand to see how it feels, but you can never get too much face creams, you know what I mean? I mean, I guess you can, and then you have a lot. Ooh, that feels like so like just soft and smooth. I really cannot wait. And I love like things that have like renewal in them. I'm wondering what's in that. I love like things like that. It smells good too, which I don't always love when there's like that kind of thing in it, but so it says hit refresh on your complexion with this anti-aging face cream. It uses antioxidant rich pink lotus extract and affirming peptides to help brighten, depuff, and smooth tired and dull skin. It says after cleansing, apply a small amount to your fingers and gently smooth over face and neck. But yeah, I'm really excited to test that out, see how it is and stuff. We love it. We love it. This box wasn't like I don't know how to put this. This box, it was good. I really like all the items that I got in my box. I'm happy with everything. I like everything. It didn't blow me away, but I'm really content with my box. And it's okay to have like very chill, not like overwhelming month of boxes and stuff. But yeah, this is my Ipsy box for September. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you got in your boxes, whether it's Ipsy or not. I always love hearing what you guys got in your boxes, so comment that down below and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.